In this video, I share my list of 7 keyboard shortcuts of Vegas Pro software to do editing fast. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video clip in timeline. And this is our timeline indicator. If you want to play this video clip and want to see the preview right here, then simply press space to play the clip.
This new first class experience, it feels a little different from other airlines. Thank you. Minty.
We are just about ready to go. Certainly get you to JFK.
To set timeline indicator in the previous stage, simply press space again. Let's say we play this video clip. In the meantime, if you want to pause this timeline indicator in the current stage, then simply press enter. Let's check this. I just press space to play this.
This new first class experience, it feels a little different from other airlines. Thank you.
And hit enter to pause this in the current stage. Now if you want to set this timeline indicator position in the very beginning of your video clip, then simply press W. Alright. Now to mute any of this video or audio track, then simply from the left select your video or audio track. Let's say this time we mute this audio track. Then I just select this one and press Z. Now let's play this clip. There is no background music whatsoever, right? To unmute this audio track, simply select this audio track and press Z again.
Honestly, a lot of space. I don't know what it's meant to be.
So makes sense, right? Now what happens if you want to split or cut your video clip? The normal process is just simply right click on this and hit on split. Right? If you want to split your video clip quickly in this way, actually process is pretty simple. Set your timeline indicator in your preferred position and press S to split. Very easy. Now let's say we work with different type of video layers. To do this, at first I create a video track and create a audio track. Alright. Now I select this one and place it right here. Alright. Now I move these other clips right here. Now what happens if you want to move all of these clips at once? To move everything at once, you have to group them together. To do this, simply select any of your preferred clip and then press Ctrl and select all of this video and audio track. And after select everything, press G to group them together. Alright, now look at this. Now we can move easily this block of clips at once. This is my list of 7 keyboard shortcuts of Vegas Pro. I frequently use these keyboard shortcuts to do my editing faster. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.